How to create an account on iMovie. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on iMovie to start editing videos. Let's get started. First, you should know that iMovie itself does not require a separate account to use. All you need is an Apple ID. So to create an Apple ID, you have to go to appleid.apple.com, or you can also go to your phone settings. And here you can see this Apple ID option. Click on create your Apple ID, then enter your name, email address, password and other details. You need to verify your email and phone number. Once your Apple ID is ready, you can use and access iMovie. Now make sure to download iMovie on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for your MacBook, you can download the Mac version from App Store. After that, click on search bar and open iMovie. After opening iMovie, you are ready to go. No extra account needed. And that's it. This is how you are ready to create amazing videos with iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.